Number 26. Find the value of f of -4 given this table. Alright, so we've been given a list of x values, or a list of input values, and a list of output values. And we basically just need to find what function corresponds to these values, and then plug in -4. So, the way we're going to do that is I'm going to pull up my TI Inspire, and we are going to do a regression. So, to do that, you go to Menu, and then Statistics, and then Stat Calculations, and then you have all of these options. You have linear regression, you have quadratic regression, cubic regression, and quartic regression. Most of the time on these questions, it will be one of those four, but the one that I always use is quartic regression, and I'll show you why later. Anyway, so put in your X list. These have to be in braces, by the way, which you can get by doing Control and then Control and then right parenthesis. There we go. And then just type in all of your X values. And then same thing with the Y values, except obviously you plug in your Y's instead of your X's. So you have 10, -9, -10, -5, -6, and -25. Okay, before you click enter to get your regression, I want you to always look at this right here. It says save regression equation 2. It says F1. And this is how you're going to plug in your number super effectively and super quickly and save you a bunch of time. Okay, so we see it's being saved to F1. If you've done this before, you'll be on like F2 or F3 or some crazy number goes up to like F99. So I'm going to click OK, and you get this equation. So we have 0x to the 4th minus 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. And so since we saved it to F1, if we're trying to find f of -4, then we can just do F1 of -4, and it just gives it right to you, so 59. And that is the answer. The answer is E. Something that I will note is the reason that I always do quartic regression is because if you see here, this was actually a cubic regression. And you know that because the coefficient of the x to the 4th is 0. Well, if you do quartic regression and it's not quartic, if it's something less than that, you'll just get zeros in those places. So even if it was linear and the answer was just 4x minus 5, it would just give you zeros in the A, B, and C columns. And so that's why you always want to do quartic regression on these problems. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.